Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x, where x times square root of x times square root of x is equal to 128. Or taking square to the both side, we can write left side, this is x times square root of this x times this square root of x and whole square is equal to right side, this is 128 square, or this x to the power this 2, so this will be x square times this square root and this square will cancel out and it will remain this x times square root of x. So x times square root of x is equal to right side is 128 square. Now taking a square to both side again to remove this square root, so we will get x square times this x times square root of x and whole square is equal to right side, this is 128 square and this whole square, or this x square and this square, this will be x to the power 4 times this x and this square, it will be x square times this square root and this square will cancel and it will remain x here. So x is equal to right side, this is 128 to the power this 2 times 2, this will be 4. Or according to law of exponent, we can write left side as x to the power this 4 plus this 2, and here the power of x is 1, so plus this 1 is equal to right side 128 to the power this 4. Or left side x to the power of 4 plus 2, this is 6 plus 1, 7 is equal to 128. We can write this as 2 to the power of 7, this is 128 and whole to the power this 4, whole to the power this 4. Or left side x to the power 7 is equal to 2 to the power 7 to the power 4. According to exponential formula, we can write 2 to the power of 7 times 4. So 7 times 4. Now raising both sides power by 1 over 7 to remove this 7, so that we can find the value of x. We can write this left side x to the power 7 and whole to the power 1 over 7 is equal to right side 2 to the power 7 times 4 and whole to the power of 1 over 7. Or this x to the power, this will be 7 times 1 over 7 is equal to this 2 to the power of 7 times 4, 7 times 4 times this 1 over 7. Or this 7 and this 7 will cancel and it will be x to the power 1. That means x is equal to, here this 7 and this 7 will cancel and it will be 2 to the power of 4. So the value of x is equal to 2 to the power 4. This is 16. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.